How you doing, folks? This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're getting ready to do a set of summo springs on a 22 to 24,000 pound chassis, F53. This is a Georgetown XL, but still, it's an F53. Go over some components with you and some sizes that you need. All right, so what you got basically is you need a 14 millimeter wrench. All right, I use a ratcheting wrench. And then I use a solid 6-point wrench. Alright. You got to get the original jout stop or bounce stop. And then the plate goes on here. I'm going to show you a little bit right here. So that's a 15 millimeter up there. Alright. So you just kind of reach up there, get that off. Now these go like that. Alright. See it right there? Goes right under that little lip right there. Ready? And install. Okay, so then this bottom piece goes like that. So then you bolt this down. So you got one on each side, one on this side, one on this side of the leaf spring axle mount bracket where the U-bolts are. Alright, and then you take that off up there. Alright, so I'm taking that off. It's 15 millimeter up there. Alright, let me put you on pause. Alright, so we got the jout stop out. It was up there where the fresh place is. Okay, now next we're going to put in our plates. Alright, so I'll show you what I found. This wasn't too tight. This is from the factory, but folks, always check everything that you get. Alright, I'm going to show you what I did. I've done this before. I put Loctite on everything, all my bolts, even though the nut is a crimping nut. You see, it's crimped a little bit. But the size of Allen that I have is 7/32. There you go. Alright, so I put it in there and I tightened that bad boy down. She was a little loose, so I'll put you on pause again, get this set up. Alright folks, there she is, the finished product. Basically got some 15 millimeters you tighten down, these clamps. Remember how I showed you up there where this Allen bolt right there was loose. Alright, that's crazy, man. Not that one. There. It wasn't super tight, you know what I mean? I had to put Loctite on it. That right the heck there. So always check them out, even though you go, oh yeah, they're tight. Alright, so basically that's the setup. When you let it down, that'll go up in that hole and it'll squash. Keep constant tension and it gives you a better smooth ride. And what we got to do is the same thing on the opposite side, which is right there. See, there's all you do is take that out. Now that's a little bit of a bear because that one's inside that frame. All right, so I'm gonna have a little fun. All right, basically you got some 14-15 millimeters. You can do some ratchets. I think the Allen was a 3/16. Hold on, I got it here somewhere. I already said it on the video for you, but I'll look it up. No, I'm wrong. 7/32. And 7/32. There you go. That's this bolt Allen right there. There you go. Right in there. We're good to go. Remember, I use Loctite. Alright, I'm going to take me a break because I've had it. That one tired me out. But anyway, summo springs are the way to go. You can use them on F53, 455, 50s. They make all kind of recommend. They really give a good ride. No, it's not like a 4 airbag suspension system on some diesel pushers, but let me tell you something, it smooths out the ride. Alright, this gentleman, our steering stabilizer in right there, that one makes sound, I don't know. Alright, so there you go. Safety Plus, model number 41230, serial number 10188238. There's the 1-800 number. All right, that really smooths out. This is an F53 single axle. All right, what we call I-beam axle, right? Because if you cut it this way, it's an I-beam. All right, well, thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics, laying underneath the beast of one of these. How many ways to get a hold of me? One is the YouTube channel right now, what you subscribe to. It's, I don't know, 2,400 members. Thank you very much. I need to get 4,000 hours before I start getting paid for commercials. Thank you. If you can, download the YouTube channel RV Diagnostics and let it run in the background. Put it on loop. And I think there's 260 some videos now. And that way it builds up hours, okay? I don't get paid a ton of money, but I'm trying to keep the cost down of running. Yet another way to get a hold of me is www.rvdiagnostics, plural, diagnostics.com. That's where I do one-on-one with you. And I help you troubleshoot your RV. It doesn't matter if it's engine drivability, AC chassis, AC coach on the roof, or the basement type, you know, the Coleman 6365 series. So that telephone number is 302-6, you know I do that all the time. There you go. So that's how you get a hold of me on that one. All right. You can email me, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. That's my puppy right there. Come here, Storm. Come here. You're going to be on the video. Hold on. There she is. 70-pound female. Black lab. English black lab. She sits out in the garage with me all the time and keeps the cat straight. And how you doing? All right. So, all right, the website. And then the email is jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. All right, say hello. Hey, I'm coming by. Want to stop? You at least got to give me a 72-hour notice, folks, on the thought that you want to stop by. There's tons of RVs here. I have 50 amp service in the back, water and sewage. Yes, I got to charge you. I'm at a $25 a day charge. I don't mind if you stop by and say hello, you know. We'll use the barbecue grill. Maybe the pool will be open. It depends what time of year. I swim from April the 1st to like into October, and not too many people do that. The other places to get me is the garage, what I'm just talking about, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. All right, that's where you can come learn how to troubleshoot your RV or just drop it off and get it fixed. It is a garage and a school. I take my time to teach you. The other way to get a hold of me is the ever-growing, over 21,000 members, Facebook RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. Okay, so you got the YouTube channel, you got the email, you got the website, you got the garage, you got the Facebook page. How many more ways you want to get a hold of me, folks? Thank you very much for the patronage. I appreciate it. Remember to leave this videos, or leave the RV Diagnostic YouTube channel run in the background for me. I got to get up to 4,000 hours this year. I'm not that far away. Then they'll start paying me for commercials. But what's real important on that is I get to put in the commercials I want. I have some people that got good products. Of course, it's going to be about RVs, right? All right. Thank you very much. It's Jeff. I'm out of here.